Hello and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Guys, I've missed you all. Sorry I've been away for a while, but I'm back for good. And today, I'll be sharing an alternative coconut rice recipe that you could add to your Christmas dinner. Let's get started so I can show you what you need. The ingredients are 2 cans of coconut milk, chopped green onion, some shrimps, sliced green bell peppers, 1 sliced habanero pepper, carrot sliced, onion sliced, frozen mixed vegetables, chicken stock, and a basmati rice, 2 cups. For the dried ingredients, we have half a teaspoon of rosemary, a 1/4 teaspoon of curry, half a teaspoon of Jemies soup seasoning, no cubes, and salt to taste. First, we will cook our rice. I'll add the coconut milk to the pot. So we also add the meat stock. We'll allow this to cook for 5 minutes. So we'll add the rice now. It's 5 minutes. First I'll add salt, basmati rice, while the rice is cooking, we'll prepare our veggies. So I'm adding canola oil, so allow this to heat up about 3 minutes before adding my spices and veggies. So add a rosemary spice, then onion and carrots, add green pepper and habanero peppers, and we add our shrimp. Curry and Jemies seasoning, no seasoning, and stir in. Let's allow this to cook for 3 minutes before adding the frozen veggies. We'll now add our frozen veggies. Add green onion. And leave for a minute and cook it up. Now that the rice is cooked, we'll now add it to the stir fry and cook together. Keep adding the rice, coconut fried rice. Our coconut fried rice is ready. Our coconut rice is ready to be served. Remember to like, subscribe, and add to the comment section and let me know if you've tried coconut fried rice.